So here you go, people. Have a look at this. This is the new toy. This is the newcomer, the new baby. XR 18 from Behringer. These are my current connections. I have it connected through Ethernet if I don't put in the finger. So through the LAN port, you need to move this switch right here. And hold on one sec. I hide sensitive info from you guys. Yeah. And here you go. Here is the MXQ, the mix something, the application from Behringer, which is one of the things that I liked better about Soundcraft, which didn't need any proprietary application but a web browser. So here you are. For my stuff, I mostly use USB. So basically, all of this will be unused. This is my Scarlett condenser mic. This is my lavalier Audio Technica crappy mic, which is way too old and is faulty now, but it still works. That's about it. I do not connect anything else on these 16 remaining inputs because I do not play any instrument, or at least I do not do it. But here is my setup. Here is what I'm doing. I'm gonna do some walk through, so more thorough videos on that. So here is USB 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, which unfortunately is what the crappy Behringer driver gives me. Hold on. This is on the second screen. So you have 18 channels, but you poorly get 4x2 channels. Input and output, which is crap, you know? So basically what I do is for my game stream, as you can see Donkey Kong behind my mixer. And on Saturday, whenever you're watching this video, I did my setup. So basically channels 15 and 16. This is the condenser mic. This is the, it's repeated, but this is the lavalier mic. So channels 15 and 16 are mics. I'm recording this on the iPhone, so that's not the actual mixer sound. I did some tweaking on the settings. Here you have, let me show you what's exciting, the routing, some routing, which was what I did to stream over OBS. So on this second screen, you can see that I made a mix and I put that onto a USB bus, and I send all of the channels that I need onto a bus, and that bus comes out through outputs 3 and 4. So basically, I'm speaking into the iPhone, but hello, there you go. There you see my voice. Ho, ho, how are you? And if I play any sound on the actual, let's pause the, hold on. I need to turn on the Xbox controller. Hold on. So if I do this, oh, you don't see the, you can't hear the actual thing, because Nintendo will obviously screw up with me. So here you have that return. That's the game. That's actually Donkey Kong Country 3 from the Super Nintendo. And I also have the iPad, and there I have some sounds on the touch portal thingy. And if I press the buttons, there you see it, the sound coming in on these 1 and 2 USB returns. 3 and 4, I have VLC or some other stuff. Hold on. Yeah, let's see that. Let's see about that. So look at this. And all of that goes into a bus and goes into OBS, which is what I use for streaming. That's me. There you go. Tiki Academy. So that's about it. So basically that's about this. So hold on. I'm gonna stop all of this madness because I have my headphones on. So basically, let's go back into the mixing into the mixer thing. So what I'm doing is on the condenser mic, I go into channel and I assign. This is what I have for my condenser mic, the Scarlett mic. This is only the input. It's analog to digital. It's enabled the phantom power, the 48 volts. This is the gate that I'm using for that specific mic. The EQ, you can see it pumping there. Compressor and the bus. This should be all post fader, because if you do it pre-fader or pre-EQ or whatever other option, you won't be able to control the volume from here, from the faders. So what else? Nothing here, nothing special. I'm working on the effects because due to these noise gate adjustments that I have there. Oh, that's not the noise gate, sorry. Here. The mic sounds really flat and crappy, so basically I need to work on my EQing and doing some other stuff. So basically what I do is send all of these channels, which I made stereo by doing this. Let's go to USB 1 and 2. Let's go into channel, and there you see that I have the stereo link clicked or enable, however you want to call it. Noise gate, there is no noise gate on those channels because those are USB returns. So I assigned stuff using Windows thing right here, which is great. So I assign stuff to some of the Behringer drivers there, which happen to be 4.38. Those are the ones that will allow you to have multi-channel. If you use the 459 drivers, the latest drivers, you won't be able to get any multi-channel. That's absolutely stupid because you only get outs 1 and 2. If you use ASIO or ASIO or whatever you want to call it, you can get the 18 channels, 18 by 18. But I'm not using Reaper anymore, which was what I used. So basically, hold on, I'm gonna press, this is a laughter, yeah. This is an applause. As you can see, I have assigned all of those sounds and things that make noise to specific channels, but I want the rest of these channels to be able to be assignable, to have more USB stuff from the computer coming into those channels. So basically, also let me show, the routing, I already show you that. There is nothing fancy about my setup. Hold on one sec. So here you have the other screen. So what I do is assign USB 1 and 2, which are my main outputs to this right here. And those are post fader. For that, you right click on that and choose post fader. on both channels if you want stereo. So that's about it. This is a quick roundup. I'm working on the review, unboxing, and all that stuff of the awesome new toy coming into Tech Academy's English YouTube channel, XR18 with Midas preamps. So cheers, everybody.